Hey Earth Science students, this is Mrs. Gibbs. I'm here to help you with 3.15, Determining Half-Life. We've been talking about radiometric dating and how scientists determine the age of certain things based on the number of isotopes that have decayed over time. So to represent this, you will need 100 cubes. I recommend sugar cubes. You can buy those, mark one side of each of those 100 cubes. Your lab in the computer does have actual paper cubes that you can make, but it's going to take you a long time to do 100. But once you have your cubes, again, I recommend sugar cubes. Mark one side. I put a little star on one side. You need 100 of these, but each one only has one side marked. Once you have them all, and you have 100, you're going to put them all in a box. So you're going to need a bigger box than this, okay? You're going to put the lid on, shake it 2 times, take the lid off. When you take the lid off, a couple of mine flew out, you are going to see which ones have the marked side facing you, facing up. You're going to take those out. Count them and take them out. On your worksheet, you're going to write for trial 1 the amount that decayed. So let's say I had 10 that had the marked side up. And so if I had 100, how many are left? I don't have to count them all. How many are left? 100 minus 10? 90, right? Do it again. Shake twice, open it up. How many have the marked side facing up? Let's say it's another 10. So I'm going to put that on my sheet, and I know this is backwards for you. Trial 2, there's another 10. Now there's 80 left. You're going to do this for 6 trials. Once you have your 6 trials done, you're going to graph it. So again, remember, we're just shaking, counting the number of ones we see with the marked side up, taking them out, counting them, recording that number here, and then however many was left, we put here. So for your graph, trial 1 is going to be down here. Mine printed all weird, so hopefully you can still understand this. So for trial 1, we're going to graph how many atoms were remaining. Look at my chart. I took 10 out, 10 decayed. So how many are left? 90, right? So I would make a mark on 90 for trial 1. So trial 1, 90. Trial 2, how many are left? Again, it's backwards, I apologize, but it would be 80. So I'm going to graph that. Trial 2, 80. So you're going to graph this for all 6 trials, and you'll get a line of some sort. Once you have that graphed, you have questions to answer, and I want to know what you find out about half-life. So that is how you do 3.15.